Hey, Fuzzy Biker here. We are riding this curve at 102 miles an hour. This little classic 350 is a hot rod. Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. We're tooling down, I think this is Highway 30, just west of Ames. Traffic's really rolling today. Look at the old SPEEDO there. Almost 100 miles an hour. Good golly, everybody's moving. That's all I can do to keep up with these guys. Oh, 101, 102, 103. Good God, this thing's fast. 105 miles an hour. I'm hanging on for dear life. Look at that, one-handed. I think we'll do a pass. Let's see what happens. Holy moly, what a rocket ship it is. What a rocket ship it is. Traffic's really rolling today. We're just barely keeping up with it. Now, who would have thought a 20 horsepower motorcycle could go this fast, huh? Must be because the tank's empty. See my fuel lights on? It's just a scream machine, my friends. My God, he must be going 150. In case y'all haven't figured it out, the speedometer's off. I lost it hasn't been working all morning. What a grin, what a grin. All right, let's slow down. Let's at least slow down to 90, right? 90 miles it is. What a hoot. 95 through the curves here. Right, right. I love this bike, but it's not that fast. As a matter of fact, fast is not one of the words I would use to describe this bike. Wahoo! 95 miles an hour. Why, this thing's a real hot rod, isn't it? I don't think so. I doubt we're doing 70. What a grin, what a grin.